Hayi ngiphethe out yami la Sakhile. Hey sengikwazi isikhathi ndoda athi ngibuke.
2007.
2007, 19 years.
Yeah, almost 20.
Sakhile mfethu, kuningi okwenzayo my brother and I've been watching you from afar. But manje kade sinawe esikoleni eUKZN Mphithi.
Yeah.
Sisegoli ke manje kwabangazi sidlala manje from PMP to Joburg. Sila manje egoli.
And you're taking to the world.
Hey mfethu, hey qhawe lami.
Yeah.
Zithini la mfethu iSex Group?
Yeah. So basically it's a maintenance company.
Yeah.
So we do residential areas, we do corporate.
Yeah.
So basically one of the services we do, it's like carpentry, woodwork stuff.
Yeah.
We do plumbing.
Yeah.
We do painting. We do drywalls. We do
Yo.
quite a bit. Yeah, in fact, most of the handyman stuff we do. Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
Sakhile ngiyakhumbula mfethu sasesikoleni. I think part time khona epharmacy obubuye uyisebenzela, you know.
Yes.
Yini wayifunda mfethu ngokusebenza epharmacy mhlambe ama principles izinto?
100 years.
Yeah.
I think looking back now, I actually realized that I've been a hard worker. If I go back, I realize that I've been actually someone who like to have couple of things that
I've seen that
I'm
for
busy with
quite a while. Yeah.
Because I was still in university.
Yeah.
I was working at Clicks.
Yeah.
And I was also a bouncer.
Yes.
I couldn't understand
how abantu abaphuzile lapho bavuthiza nenduku mawala. Ubajwiba lapho baphosa eminyango. Hey, Sakhile mfethu wangikhumbuza yazi I forgot that one. Yeah, nambona mfethu udumase.
So I couldn't actually looking back I don't know how I managed that. Even now I don't know how I manage things.
Yo.
People will ask me, Sakhile, how are you managing because you're still in corporate?
Yeah.
And you have this company that's growing. How I manage? My honest answer, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's God.
Wow.
I don't know.
Wow.
I don't know. Because sometimes after work, after my corporate work, I'll go to clients, I'll come back in the midnight. I sleep. I still need to wake up and go to gym and go to work. If you ask me how I manage, I don't know. It's God.
That's an honest answer, Ntanga. I'm loving that. So, when washay IT esikoleni?
Yes.
Hayi siyafika lapha kwakho sizodla inyama mawala and we had a great time. Ngiyakhumbula. Angisikhuluma abantu ababhuquze ezintulini. Ababhuquze ezintulini lapha kudlala wrestling
nabantu abajahaya.
Nabantu abajaha imoto angazi okwenzakalani but we're not going to go there, you know. Lana uyafika mfethu eJoburg, I believe you came here because of your corporate work, right?
100%, yeah.
Then tell me the first time you started doing umsebenzi wakho, like helping somebody else.
Oh, yeah.
How did it come about?
How it started is there's a friend of mine who brought a house. He knew which I'm a handyman.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Now the thing is coming back.
And then she asked me to put up curtains, basically stuff.
Yeah.
Curtains, TVs. Then I did that. That same evening, I'm sitting with her. I'm like, friend, I can actually make money out of this thing.
Right there.
Right there. And she thought I'm joking. Deep down, I'm like, I'm doing this thing.
Yeah.
Same night, I went back home. I'm sitting. Endlini khona this thing engayenza. Yeah, yabona izinto engazenza dining yeah.
Yes.
Ngathi isithombe ngas developer ngabhala ukuthi I do maintenance stuff like that. Low poster le ngishootha from what I did. My post. Then the rest was history. The rest was history.
Then you started getting a request now.
I getting request.
And of course,
And funny, a few months later, I get connected. Ngisangiqala business jalo, connected to Casper. And then I'm fighting TV. I'm fighting TV besides other stuff.
Yeah.
TV. Then
in your vest.
Yo,
ngiyakhumbula mfethu. And ngiyakhumbula evakashela uCasper, you know.
Oh, yes,
And then they went to
yes.
lezi zinto zama-frame ey'thombe.
Yes,
And your work
yes.
was there, mfethu. So I was like, look at that, you know.
Yes,
And
yes.
then from there, Ntanga, what ended up happening now with the business? Because now, like,
Yeah,
this is just
yeah.
beautiful, the logo and everything.
I won't lie, I think God has been faithful. It's keep growing,
Yeah.
and I've got bigger vision for the business also.
Yo, I'm loving that.
I've got bigger visions. Actually, there's another guy who's gonna be a business partner with me. There's some equipment that we're planning to buy that's gonna form part of the maintenance that I do. So yeah, I'm trusting God for finance part, because to get that machine, I need quite a bit.
Yeah.
I was actually praying about it yesterday.
Yeah.
God, I'm trusting you.
Wow. Sesigo Tantanga, intsha South Africa, there's quite a lot that is happening, you know, opportunities and whatnot. You know, mhlawumbe if we were to encourage someone right there who's listening to this conversation, ungathini kubona kulento mhlawumbe yokubona amathuba and wenze something ngamathuba wabonayo, because kwesinye isikhathi it's all about starting, you know, and kwesinye isikhathi ukuyibuka kuwena lento yokuba hands on ngezandla zakho wenze something iyona manje sikuvulelele le business, you know.
100%, yes.
And mhlawumbe if you can encourage someone wethu ungathini?
Yeah, I think to encourage someone, I think as thina abantu, we tend to look for more opportunities for into engathi fancy sort of. Engathi fancy sort of. Kanti sometimes God has different visions for us, or different paths for us.
Yeah.
I think as abantu we need to understand ourselves, understand our purpose. I think it's where you're gonna discover what am I really called on to this world. Because like I've said, it has been a fancy akekho kancane umuntu thina special ozofuna izinto engathi hard work sort of, especially more fundile. Ufuna izinto soft.
Wethu ukelezile wayishaya incwadi,
Ukelezile
but uNkulunkulu kufaka kunika ivision into ehlukile and
uzothi
uyakukhulisa manje kuleyo nto leyo.
Exactly, uzothi ngiyaphila because ukufunda ukuba soft. I think if singayeka leyo mentality, we can go far.
Yeah.
Like for instance, ngiqeda evarsity ngaqhubeka ngasebenza eClicks. Angishongo ukuthi ngiqede ima degree. I'm going to look for
usebenza ngasesikoleni.
Senza esikoleni.
Ngishongo ukuthi abantu bakubona ukuthi ufunda nabo abanye.
Exactly, babona abantu engifunda nabo ukuthi awusebenza eClicks la. But kumina it didn't mean anything because I knew where my vision is, where I'm going. If ngomunye umuntu bezothi angiye eClicks phansi because angiholele next. But I knew where my vision was. So I had to work, and through working, I'm opportunity gonna come.
That's powerful.
If like for instance, Tina, if you know umsebenzi mina, singine degree as. That's why we get it wrong, because sometimes I'm opportunity aqhamuka to ama places ngesilinde ukuthi aqhamuka kuona.
Yeah.
So that's other encouragement to youth. So
that's powerful.
Let's just work hard, man. Singayeki any opportunity to go past. Sisaphila, you know. Like nompila desho ukuthi until we meet our savior, we're gonna continue working. No,
Sakhile mfethu, I'm encouraged. Mhlawumbe sisigoqa mfethu usitshena ukuthi utholakala kephi ku social media, inkampani yakho, abantu abadinga ama services akho. And ngiyakhumbula usuyana kwamanye ama province mfethu yokwenza izinto khona. Mhlawumbe nje mfethu.
I was actually in Mozambique.
Yes, ushaya cross border ntana.
I'm Mozambique ezime cross border. Last month actually, beginning of last month, I went to
Wow. Oh, okay.
My own was in Zim. Soon I'm going to Cape Town and going back to Zim again. So God has been faithful.
Wow. Sikuthola aphi ntana?
So social media, I'm on Instagram as Sek Group. Uzongithola lapho. Or mongifuna directly, my number is 071 55 677 43. If you find any services, Scon will service.
Salute, mfethu.
Thanks, man.
I'm loving this, Bob.
Thank you.